Have you ever seen a robot walk like a model on a catwalk and wondered if it's human? That's exactly what happened when XPeng unveiled its next-gen Iron humanoid at its 2025 AI Day in Guangzhou on November 5th. I'm here to break down what makes Iron so uncanny and why XPeng's vision for physical AI might just reshape our future. XPeng's AI Day themed emergence wasn't just another tech showcase. CEO He Xiaopeng declared the company's evolution into a mobility explorer in the physical AI world and a global embodied intelligence company. That's a mouthful, but it signals a shift from building smart cars to creating intelligent machines that live and move in our world. They unveiled four major innovations: VLA 2.0, Robotaxi, Next-Gen Iron, and flying car systems under AirEdge. Let's zoom in on Iron. This robot isn't your typical stiff humanoid. It features a bionic spine, synthetic muscles, and flexible skin designed to move with natural grace. With 82 degrees of freedom across its body and 22 in each hand, it can perform delicate human-like actions. It even uses the industry's smallest harmonic joints to match human hand size. And yes, it walked so fluidly that people thought it was a person in a suit, until He Xiaopeng invited the team to unzip its back on camera to prove otherwise. Under the hood, Iron runs on 3 of XPeng's in-house Turing AI chips, delivering around 2,250 to 3,000 TOPS of compute power. It's powered by a full-stack AI architecture combining VLT, VLA, and VLM models, enabling it to see, think, and interact. It's also the first humanoid to use an all-solid-state battery, offering lightweight, high-density, and safe energy storage. And for privacy, XPeng added a fourth law of robotics: data doesn't leave the robot. What's next? XPeng plans to begin mass production by the end of 2026, starting with commercial roles, think receptionists, shopping guides, and factory inspectors. They've already partnered with Bao Steel to deploy Iron in industrial inspection tasks. They'll also open an SDK to build a developer ecosystem around the robot. How does Iron stack up against other humanoids? XPeng isn't chasing flashy stunts. Instead, they are leaning into realism and practical deployment. Their advantage? They are leveraging their automotive AI and manufacturing expertise to scale humanoid robots faster than most. So what's the takeaway? XPeng isn't just building robots. They are building a bridge between AI and the physical world. Iron is the embodiment of that ambition. If you are as fascinated as I am, hit subscribe and drop a comment. Where would you want to see a humanoid robot like Iron deployed first?